Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a quick note on the StarNote application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. New, just click to the create option. If you want to take a quick note, click the create, and here you can find the last button, the quick note. Click that and you can just type your notes or drawings or others, and you can display the tools, you can custom the toolbar, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.